Have you ever been stuck in traffic and you wanted to watch your favorite Netflix shows, but your Android Auto doesn't allow it? It's super frustrating, I know. But, guess what? I got some easy steps that can help you fix this problem and start streaming in no time. So first, you're going to make sure that your Android Auto is set up correctly. This is the key to everything working smoothly. So you're going to check if you have the right version of Android Auto and the Netflix app installed on your phone. If everything is up to date, you're one step closer. Next, you're going to use a screen mirroring app like Automate or CarStream. Okay, check those two out. These apps let you bypass the restrictions and enjoy Netflix safely while you're parked. Okay. Another option is to enable developer mode on your Android Auto settings. This can unlock extra features. Now remember, always be safe and watch Netflix when you're parked. It's important. So now it's your turn to try these tips and enjoy your favorite shows while you're on the road. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe for more contents like this. And thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.